Just arrived at Pitsford Water, going for a cycle ride, and it's not very warm today, so I don't know whether I'm going to do much filming. Got a few insects about. You ready for this? You look the part anyway. Yeah, not very warm today. Yeah, yeah, it's got to warm up, but it is blooming cold. Do a bit of filming. I won't do much though. It is blooming cold. I'm likely to fall off along here. I'm only holding on with one hand, and it's a bit rough. Here's another bit. Like a little estuary here. Yeah, we're going up to the calf because we perished. And this is just up there, that building up that hill, and the sky looks like it's going to throw it down. Fingers crossed. And a few cow slips. There's a boat club over there. Catching your breath?
I'm not used to it.
No. Got coffee, Mars bar. Is that alright for you? I think we're out the breeze here as well. It was cold, wasn't it? No. Northampton Sailing Club, Members Club and Training Centre. Phew, there's a few flies here, aren't there? It's probably our jackets. That's probably why the fishermen are out. And there's the dam.
Overflow, look.
Yeah, never seen it. Never ever. Ever since. Oh God, I don't think I've ever in my lifetime seen water coming over there. Yeah, I think I said that before. Right, we're going over the dam. Yeah, we might get what.
That bit over there with the flies. That's going to be horrible.
Yeah, flies.
There's flies here.
Yeah. What, in the woods? Yeah, it might be.
Yeah, that bit you go round.
Yeah. Well, we'll find out. Yeah, let's go. Cycling along the dam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 people, 6 boats, people fishing this end, and there's a load the other end. And there's the, we're on the dam. Oh God, there's a few flies today. You've seen my woolly hat. Oh, bloody hell, flies. Smells like manure as well, doesn't it? Like they're doing the fields. Single-handed. At least we haven't got much of the wind this side. Blind corner, watch your speed. And dogs. Hello, doggy. Hiya. Oh, I found a nice still spot. Not too many flies.
No flies on me.
There's a few squash ones. Yeah, I got a few squashed on my jacket.
No,
Not many.
no.
Oh, blood splattered. That's why it's good for fish, surely, with the flowers.
Yeah.
And there's no real blue sky. It's sort of like this. It's sort of depressing, isn't it?
No, it's not depressing.
Well, it's not.
It's definitely warmer.
Oh, it's definitely warmer here.
I'm not taking the gloves off though.
You're not taking your gloves off, no.
I'm taking any layers off.
No.
Are we
Oh,
going to get this stove?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Shall we have a go?
Yeah.
See what happens.
Not really very hungry, is it?
No. Well, we're having a mild curry and rice. And here's our bikes. We know how to do ourselves. Must be hotter. Do you think?
It's sort of warm at the moment.
Oh, turn the gas up. Anyway, we're going to enjoy it, whatever it ends up with. Oh, I can smell it. It smells lovely. Well, we're having a mild curry and rice. And here's our bikes. We know how to do ourselves. Must be hotter. Do you think?
It's sort of warm at the moment.
Oh, turn the gas up. Anyway, we're going to enjoy it, whatever it ends up with. Oh, I can smell it. It smells lovely. That's it. Bike's back in the car. It's definitely cooler this side of Pitsford, isn't it, than the other side. The ice cream van's there. A few cars, not too bad.